Basic daily sentences.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Ali.
My name is Ollie.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
I am from Pakistan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Conversation sentences.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I am working.
I am working.
I am studying.
I am studying.
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
Please listen to me.
Please listen to me.
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment.
Come here.
Come here.
Go there.
Go there.
Tell me the truth.
Tell me the truth.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Daily life sentences.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
I am tired.
I am tired.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come with me.
Come with me.
I will call you.
I will call you.
I will come later.
I will come later.
I understand.
I understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Please repeat.
Please repeat.
Common sentences.
What happened?
What happened?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
That's right.
That's right.
That's wrong.
That's wrong.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
I disagree.
I disagree.
No problem.
No problem.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Take care.
Take care.
See you later.
See you later. Useful sentences.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Turn on the light.
Turn on the light.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
Bring some water.
Bring some water.
Give me a pen.
Give me a pen.
Write it down.
Write it down.
Read this.
Read this.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Speak slowly.
Speak slowly. Everyday English.
I am busy.
I am busy.
I am free.
I am free.
Let me think.
Let me think.
I will try.
I will try.
I am ready.
I am ready.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
I am coming.
I am coming.
Just a minute.
Just a minute. Practice sentences.
I like it.
I like it.
I love it.
I love it.
I hate it.
I hate it.
It looks good.
It looks good.
It is very easy.
It is very easy.
It is very difficult.
It is very difficult.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Practice every day.
Practice every day.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Keep trying.
Keep trying. More daily sentences.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It is 5 o'clock.
It is 5 o'clock.
I am late.
I am late.
I am early.
I am early.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Let's finish.
Let's finish.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I am excited.
I am excited.
I am bored.
I am bored. Final sentences.
Please help me.
Please help me.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
That's interesting.
That's interesting.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night. Extra sentences.
I need your help.
I need your help.
I will do it.
I will do it.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I cannot do it.
I cannot do it.
Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Stay positive.
Stay positive.
Work hard.
Work hard.
Keep learning.
Keep learning.
Life is beautiful.
Life is beautiful.
Never stop learning.
Never stop learning.